Hey shoppers, I'm Aaron with Turnage Motors in Lexington, 4637 Augusta Road, turnagemotorco.com. Here is a really decent little car. This is a Honda Fit. You don't see these too often. They're getting more rare. This was somewhat of a Honda Civic back in the day, just more of a hatchback version, slightly smaller. Stopped making these, I think, in about 2013 possibly. This is a 2009. It's a 2-owner car in great shape, all but this hatch, as you see. We may source another hatch and put it on, but maybe not. Just depends on the amount of interest I get in it and how quickly I can find a hatch. This little car is in good condition overall. Has 202,000 miles and runs excellent. We're about to do a wheel bearing on it. It's 2 front tires and a couple other minor things. Exterior is good, but the interior is great. Very little wear and tear here. 207 on the mileage, sorry about that. Steering wheel is in really good condition. AC is good and cold. Your radio works good.
Yes.
A lot of little places to put things. Owner's manual is there. Another owner's manual with some playing cards. And I have only one key with a keyless remote. This car has cruise control, but this is just before Bluetooth started to be everywhere, so it does not have Bluetooth. All the door panels are in excellent shape. Headliner, carpets, no foul odors. And this car being a hatchback, it does have some versatility to it. You can do this with the seat. There you go, and the other side does the same way if you need to put something in that direction. Or of course, you can lay the seats down as with any hatchback and get a lot more storage space. So pretty versatile situation there. So give me a call if you're looking for a great, affordable 35 mile per gallon car. I would love to help you, and this would be a good option for anybody looking for reliability and affordability. 803-853-4300, turnagemotorco.com. Thanks for watching.